Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make custom frames on Canva. Without further ado, let's get started. Now here on my Canva, as you can see, I'm here on my elements and I have here an apple that can change the color right here. Now choose this kind of element. Now don't choose this because you can't change its color. Now what you're going to do here is to save it as a PDF. Now click the download button and let's wait for it to be downloaded. Here is the downloaded PDF file that we made on Canva. Now let's open it on Word. Now from right here, just click the shape format and then select the shape fill. Now select the picture. Now I will choose this from a file. Now you can choose between from a file, stock images, online pictures, or from icons. Now select any picture that you want to add, just like that. Now after that, just save it again as a PDF. And now once it's done, let's go back to Canva and import file. Now let's import the PDF that we saved from Word. Let's just wait it for it to be downloaded and click the projects. Now select your uploaded PDF. Now you can remove the image right here, and then same as on the leaves. And there you have it. You have a customized frame right here. Now if you want to merge these elements, just select and then click the group button, and then that's it. You can move it freely all together, just like that. Now you can add your picture that you want to add on your frame. I'm just gonna add this one and then drag it to the frame. Now you can add also different picture. Just gonna add this one, and then that's it. Now let's add another example. I'm just gonna search this banana, and let's choose a graphic that has this one. As you can see, you can change its color. I'm just gonna adjust this one, and now let's do the same thing as we did on the first example. Save it again as PDF and then download, and do the same thing on the Microsoft Word. Now you have your own banana frame, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.